This right here is one of my pet peeves on vehicles. They have these super dim backup lights. I'm gonna show y'all what I do to fix that. I'm gonna take these bolts right here out. Trying to do this quick because my wife's video and she ain't got time to fool with me. She got other stuff going on. You can kind of wiggle this. It's not real easy to get out. You just want to keep wiggling it. It's held in by some little plastic pegs. You don't want to break those off because then you'll need some tail lights. Once it pops out, it's out. Take this bulb right here. It's gonna be real hot. It's still real hot even through a t-shirt. We're gonna replace it with an LED bulb that's gonna light up a lot brighter. Stick it back in there. Make sure you got your pegs lined up. Push it in there. Get your screws started. Try not to cross thread them. They definitely don't want to go in right. There we go. Tighten your screws back up. Don't get them too tight because you'll bust your tail lights. You don't want to bust your tail lights. And repeat on the other side. Now I should be able to see when I'm backing up. It's much brighter. You can't really tell in the sunlight, but they are much brighter and they're brand new. Y'all like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out some of my other videos.